Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're going to learn how to speak English with key phrases, word vocabulary, and movie clips. So without further ado, let's dig in. Here we go. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and hit that bell. Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Speak English. Today's a special lesson with Maroon 5, the video maps. So let's go ahead and turn that turnstile. Here we go. Roll it. So this verse starts out with the words you, and then it goes into the map that leads to you. Ain't nothing I can do. The map that leads to you. Falling, falling, falling to you. Why is he singing like a song? Why is he singing like that? What does it mean? What's your take on that? Why is he saying falling, falling, falling to you? So his next verse is, he sings, ain't nothing I can do. Ain't nothing I can do. What the heck is that supposed to mean? Why would he say that? The map that leads to you, what's the symbolism behind that? Why is he singing that? The map that leads to you. It means something to his heart, right? The map that leads to you. Falling, falling, falling to you. Okay, let's kind of move on a little bit further, a little more deeper into the story. And it reminds me of an American, or I don't know if it's American, but it's an idiom. It's words that have meanings behind it. And the words are, all is fair in love and war. All is fair in love and war. Let's break that down now. I miss the taste of the sweet life. I miss the conversation. I miss the taste of the sweeter life. I miss the taste of the conversation. So what he's singing about is he misses her, but she really truly doesn't miss him. All is fair in love and war. I'm searching for a song tonight. I'm changing all of the stations. I'm searching for a song tonight. I'm changing all of the stations. I'm searching for a song tonight. I'm changing all of the stations. So what he's talking about is he's trying to get her attention, trying to change things up, get her to fall back in love with him. But it ain't working because all's fair in love and war. So in this next verse, or next couple verses, he starts to sing about their relationship when it began. We drew a map to a better place. But then he says, oh baby, why did you run away? Why did you leave me is what he's singing there. What happened? So he was going one way thinking the relationship was great, but she was going in the opposite direction. Okay, let's get into some vocabulary time and some matching of the words. Okay, take it away again. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and hit that bell. Click the links below to learn more about us. Thanks a lot. See you again next time.